That's all of them. There's 7, I believe, and yet to see the red come on, but we'll see if it comes on here in a second. Looks like my water might not get hot enough. Either way, if you've got a dark shower like me, this light is going to be a lifesaver. And then also, just how large it is and how powerful the stream is quite nice. I've got 0 complaints with this thing so far. I just got it installed. I'll have to update the review if something changes, but as of now, solid product, thumbs up.